What's up everybody, my name is Solomon. I make videos about my Toyota 400 Tiago Ford Premium and other cool stuff I run into. In today's video we are talking about paints. You heard me right, paints. Tactical paint especially. I've been on the quest to find the perfect paints for a very long time. So I'm looking for three important things in paints. Comfort, so I can run, jump, sit comfortably in them. Number two will be packets. I need to have enough packet to carry my EDC. Number three will be color, meaning earth tone colors. So those are the criteria that we're going to use to evaluate the paints over there. But before that, coffee. Back on top, I got my coffee here. Let's get cracking. But first, a sip of coffee. Alright, so paint number one. This is the 511 Tactical Apex in a burnt color. This is by far my favorite paint. I like them so much. I got a second pair in powder brown. Okay, so let's go through the criteria. So number one, comfort. Okay, so the Apex TM is made out of polyester and cotton. The top surface repels stain, soil, and moisture. It's pretty stretchy and resistant. The belt loop are pretty wide enough to accommodate a 1.5 inches nylon EDC belt. I have one right here, an EDC belt with a Cobra buckle, and this one is from Blue Alpha Gear. Not sponsored, but this is my favorite EDC belt. Now onto packets. So the Apex comes with 10 packets. Top packet comes with a reinforced knife clip. I usually put my keychain there. On the other side, I usually put my phone in there. That's 2 packets. The bottom packet, the big one, you have 2 on each side. Those are pretty wide. Usually have my mouth spray and my chopstick in there. The big packet also have a small packet inside, and I usually put my flashlight in those organizer compartments. Also have my Leatherman skeleton tool in one of those organizer compartments. and that is for the right side pocket. Moving on to the left side pocket, I have my pen in there. Looks like my wallet doesn't want to come out, but I have my wallet in one of those organizer compartment also. And final but not least, the AirPod Pro. So that's very much all I have in the left pocket. Oops, that's the wife's key. But anyway, got all my EDC in all my pockets, and I still have enough room for my concealed carry. And it's pretty comfortable. Have it around, and as you can see, it's pretty concealable. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Apex 511 Apex TM, not TN. It's very comfortable pants. Those are, like I said earlier, those are one of my favorite pants. I like them so much that I got two pair, and one in bottle brown and the other one in the one that I'm currently wearing in burnt color. Pretty comfortable and easy to wear. So on to, I guess we covered the third section, which was color. So on to the next one, which is the 511 Stryke pant in bottle brown. I mean, compared to the Apex, this Stryke have more room around the thighs, and are made out of heavier material. And like the Apex, the Stryke are water resistant and have an adjustable waistband. Pocket wise, the Stryke comes with 12 pockets, and same drill as the Apex. I have all my EDC spread out. So as you can see, this Stryke are pretty comfortable. You can squat in them, run, jog, jump, and everything. Compared to the Apex, this Stryke comes with Velcro flaps with deep pockets and organizer compartment inside. The top pockets are pretty deep. The back pocket also comes with Velcro flaps and are also pretty deep. There is no organizer compartment in the back pocket. You also have smaller pocket up front for smaller objects like your coins. One on each side, obviously. So this is how I organize my EDC throughout the pant. So I have my wallet in the right pocket, put it inside one of the pocket organizer inside the big pocket. My phone goes inside my left top pocket. My keys goes inside the top right pocket over the knife clip area, which is reinforced. The Leatherman skeleton tool in the right pocket in one of the organizer. Flashlight in one of the organizer in the left pocket. The AirPod Pro right pocket
organizer so that nothing is jiggling around and making weird sound. Pen, one of the organizer too, actually on top of the big packet. And the mouth spray and the chopstick both go inside the right top packet, or you can either put them in those small packet for coins too. Just realize that I can also do that. It works perfectly. Yeah. And now to the concealed carry. I'm wearing my Blue Alpha Gear EDC belt, and as you can see, everything fits perfectly. Got all my EDC around, easy, comfortable. I can run in them, jump in them, squat and all that, even lunges, and that's it. And there you have it, folks. Best EDC / tactical paint of 2021. If you like what you saw, you know what to do. If you did not like it, you also know what to do. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Until then, take care, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.